Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting your account and project ready. Sign into your Google account and open Cloud Console. Make sure you can create projects. Next, enable billing. Google Maps platform requires an active billing account even for free tier usage, so add a payment method now. Create a dedicated cloud project for this key. This prevents accidental quota mixing. Once done, you'll be ready to enable the specific Maps APIs and request credentials without interruption. Once your project and billing are set, you enable the exact Maps APIs you need. Navigate to APIs and Services, open the library, and enable Maps JavaScript API or whichever API suits your app. After enabling required APIs, go to Credentials and choose Create Credentials right arrow API key. You'll get a raw key string. Copy it now and store it securely. Make sure to limit the key scope next. Without restrictions, the key can be abused, so plan restrictions before deployment. Finish by locking the key down. Edit the API key's restrictions. Use HTTP refers for browser apps, IP address limits for server keys, or app package name plus SHA1 for Android and bundle ID for iOS. Then set API restrictions so the key only works with the Maps APIs you enabled. Test the key in your development environment, watch usage in Cloud Console, and set budget or usage alerts. If requests fail, check billing status, referrer settings, and API enablement first. That fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.